Every abandoned motorcycle still holds valuable steel, copper, and aluminum. Today, these forgotten machines begin an extraordinary new journey.
Heavy equipment gathers motorcycle scrap for transportation. Hundreds of tons are processed every single day.
Industrial grapples safely load damaged motorcycles for recycling. Every load is transported to a specialized recycling facility. The journey from scrapyard to recycling factory has begun. Inside the factory, every motorcycle will be carefully dismantled.
Every shipment is weighed before processing begins. Accurate material tracking ensures efficient recycling.
The recycling process officially begins here. Every motorcycle is prepared for detailed inspection. Technicians inspect every motorcycle to identify components suitable for reuse. Only the remaining metal structure continues to the recycling process. Before dismantling, hazardous fluids are safely recovered using controlled industrial procedures. Once depollution is complete,
Rubber and batteries follow their own specialized recycling process. Only the metal structure remains.
After dismantling, only the steel frame remains. Next, these frames will enter one of the factory's most powerful machines, the giant industrial shredder. The stripped motorcycle frames now enter a powerful industrial shredder. Within seconds, heavy steel structures will be broken into recyclable metal fragments.
Rotating steel hammers reduce entire motorcycle frames into small metal fragments. The material is now ready for automated separation.
The shredder produces a mixture of valuable recyclable materials. Each material now begins its own recovery process. Powerful magnetic separators recover nearly all ferrous steel. This clean steel stream will be melted into new products.
Eddy current technology separates valuable aluminum without physical contact. Copper and other materials continue to the next recovery stage.
Specialized wire granulators recover clean copper from electrical wiring. The refined copper will soon be melted into new products. Recovered steel is carefully sorted before melting. The next stage transforms scrap into molten steel. The recycled steel is charged into a high-temperature electric arc furnace. Extreme heat will soon transform solid scrap into molten metal. Powerful electric arcs generate temperatures above 1600 degrees Celsius. The recycled steel becomes pure molten metal once again.
The molten steel is carefully transferred into a transport ladle. Next, it will be cast into new steel billets ready for manufacturing.
The molten recycled steel enters a continuous casting machine. Cooling begins immediately as the new steel billet starts to form.
Controlled cooling strengthens the recycled steel. The billet is now ready for cutting.
Hydraulic shears cut the billet into standard industrial lengths. These billets will become new steel products for manufacturing.
Recovered motorcycle wiring contains valuable high-grade copper. Only clean copper moves forward for refining. An induction furnace melts the recovered copper efficiently. The molten copper is prepared for casting.
The refined copper becomes a continuous solid rod. This rod is the starting point for premium electrical wire.
Precision drawing machines reduce the rod into electrical wire. Each stage improves accuracy and surface quality.
Automatic systems wind the finished copper wire with precise tension. The recycled copper is now ready for electric motor production. Recycled steel is transformed into precision motor housings. Every surface is machined to exact engineering tolerances.
Recycled copper wire is wound into precision stator coils. The stator is now ready for final electric motor assembly.
Recycled steel is assembled into a precision rotor. Laser inspection conforms perfect alignment before assembly continues. Dynamic balancing eliminates vibration during motor operation. Even tiny corrections improve efficiency and service life. The balanced rotor is carefully installed inside the stator. Maintaining a precise air gap is essential for efficient performance. Precision bearings allow the motor to rotate smoothly. Automated presses ensure accurate installation every time. Robotic tools assemble the motor housing with consistent precision. Every bolt is tightened to its exact engineering specification. The recycled copper windings are connected to the motor terminals. Every electrical connection is secured before testing begins. Insulation testing confirms the windings are electrically safe. Only motors that pass continue to performance testing. Each recycled motor is tested under real operating conditions. Speed, torque, and efficiency must all meet factory standards. Advanced sensors measure vibration and operating noise. Only smooth, stable motors move to final inspection. Every motor undergoes a final quality inspection before shipment. The recycled materials have now become a reliable industrial electric motor. Every motor receives a permanent identification plate. Full traceability is maintained throughout its service life. Protective packaging prevents moisture and transport damage. Each motor is prepared for global shipment. Robotic palletizing prepares the motors for efficient transport. Each pallet is securely wrapped before storage. Recycled steel is stored until manufacturers place new orders. Every batch is fully identified for quality control.
Every reel of recycled copper wire is carefully inspected. Only approved products continue to shipment.
An organized warehouse ensures fast and accurate deliveries. Every product is tracked using digital inventory systems. Customer orders are picked with barcode-guided accuracy. Every shipment is prepared according to its destination.
Careful loading protects every product during international transport. The containers are now ready to leave the factory.
The recycled products begin their journey to customers around the world. What was once scrap has become valuable industrial material. Recycled materials return to industry as valuable manufacturing resources. Their second life begins inside new production lines. From abandoned motorcycles to precision-engineered industrial products, every recovered material has been given a new purpose.